What's up everyone, Monday morning, bit jaded after a long weekend at the track, but was great to be there and super cool action. Inside the shuttle, we're going to take a cruise about 10 minutes down the road to Chopper's Auto Body Shop. Local paint and panel guru, does some pretty cool cars, and he's going to fix that weird little nasty bit on the rear corner and maybe anything else that he can find. Sorry, just turned the key on. Yeah, first drive in this thing. I've moved it in the car park just to my location here, but it's the first time I've driven it, so we'll give it a whirl. I drive an auto for a daily and have done for the last about 10 years, so this might be a little rough, but we'll see how it goes. Feels alright. Cable clutches always feel a little bit odd when you are used to a hydraulic clutch. I used to daily in EF a long time ago, but that's the only car with a cable clutch I've ever driven regularly, so the pedal always kind of feels a little bit weird. Doesn't give you kind of any feedback. A few little rattles, but it goes alright. It's got some lowering springs in it, I forgot to mention in our previous video, so rides a little bit firmer than otherwise would. It feels like there's some decent ones, I don't know what they are. Doesn't really stop so great, so I think this has got drums on the back, so we'll have to do something about that at some point. But anyway, we're off. Doesn't really have any petrol in it either, so we have to stop for some petrol. We might not make it. I can't see any petrol warning light. Just thought it would be remiss of me not to try a all-wheel drive launch in completely stock form. I've got no idea if it'll break or not, but yeah, kind of bogged. I figured it would, but no wheel spin either, so it's definitely working. Figured it'd be cool to compare. Clutch isn't that happy. I tried to ride it just a little bit, just to absorb some stress in the drive line. It's not happy about that, but it still works, so we're all good. I think this thing's going to be a lot of fun. I've never owned an all-wheel drive car before, or driven one, or certainly raced one, so going to be a lot of firsts with this thing. Looking forward to it. We're here at Chopper's Auto Body Shop, cars in one piece. Here with the man Chopper himself. Bro, do you just want to talk us through what you're going to do? I don't know anything about panel and paint, so you can tell us what the magic is.
Pretty much, we see here there's a bit of old repair, bit of rot going on. Someone's been there with a little bit of bog. So we're basically going to just strip off the parts, off the tail light, trims, dig that back, see what is actually underneath that paint. Most likely.
Careful mate, if you keep going you
well,
might find some
I'm
nasty.
really hoping that it's only going to be yay big,
for sure,
just like an old repair. And we should be able to get it back looking pretty good again.
And you reckon the rest of the paint on the car is actually not too bad? Maybe just the roof?
Yeah,
might get away with
the age of the car, man. Like it'll probably actually buff up, not too bad. Stone chips and stuff like that. But the roof, obviously the clear coat's gone, so that would definitely need a bit of a strip back and yeah, another coat of jam on it to sort it out.
How far does it go?
Well, it's a goodie.
I'm just waiting for it to go straight through the middle.
Yeah. Lovely.
Fair bit in there, eh?
Yeah.
I wonder if it goes all the way to... Who knows?
Everyone knows. We hit it with a grinder.
Oh, have fun.
I will. Thanks for that.
It's not like fully rotten there at least, so... Must be a shape thing, eh?
Yeah. Well, usually what happens with the way people repair things at smash shops and that, they'll be either like damaged or something like that. They'll pull it out, repair it, they'll sand it to back to like the steel.
Yeah.
But they won't actually put a proper primer on the metal before the fillers put on.
Oh, okay.
And then basically while they're repairing it, they're using their hand.
Oh, the oils and greases.
Oils and moisture in your hand, you're going like this, oh yeah, pretty good. We're just putting fucking moisture straight back in that steel, fog over it, and it's crap. Can't go anywhere, things like that. We see it on heat.
Oh, we might have a wander around and see what else they've got cooking here. There's a couple of cars that are not in our wheelhouse that we're not familiar with. We're Chopper to tell us what they've got going down.
Bit of a Mazda over here, RX2. It's got just a 12A peripheral port with a custom quad intake setup going on. It's just coming for a few repairs just for the RE reunion.
Oh, okay, yep.
Yeah, so we get quite a few of these coming around summertime because everyone wants to obviously go and use them and have fun. So yeah, we've sort of been well known to know Mazdas inside and out. So yeah, we do get a lot of them.
Chopper is a bit of a rotary fan. When is our reunion? There's a big rotary or Mazda / rotary festival every year, and so a lot of the guys kind of mad rush to get their cars ready for that. That's coming up.
Yeah, it's coming up real soon, man. Yeah, so yeah, another 2 or 3 weeks, I think.
Oh, it's close. Okay.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So no, it'll be a fun event. Always is.
Close ones.
Yeah, but no, come and take a look at the other stuff inside.
So here you're remaking whole sections from scratch.
Yeah. So basically, this is a '66 Pontiac. We've started with doing a full red chassis clip.
Oh, nice.
Everything gets made in house. So yeah, red chassis clip. We cut out the old one because it was no good. We decided the rear quarters on this were no good, so we've actually purchased some aftermarket panels which are slightly different on this model.
Oh, yeah,
so we do have to modify the ends of the quarters and remake them to actually suit the car. Yeah, as you can see,
just can't be choosers with these old things.
Oh wow! It's had a lot of work for them.
You guys fiddle that out?
Yeah, awesome. I got dyno before it came here at 800 horse wheels.
Okay.
So it's big big block on it.
One.
So yeah.
Was it already tough? Or?
Yeah, but it was American tough.
Okay.
Which, nothing against Americans, but obviously someone's done a really bad job, which to our standards in New Zealand
for certification.
Yeah, would not meet yet.
We got tough rules here, guys. You got to have everything 100% perfect, or they'll fail you.
Basically this here is what we get a lot of. Someone's had a really good go at repairing some rust there before, which to us disgusting. Look at all that shit. Yeah, it is not good at all.
You got to pretty much start from scratch with a piece like that, do you?
Yeah, so basically Jade here, one of our fabricators, has basically completely made a whole new chassis rail, end to end. Something you can't buy, so we make it here, make it to fit. So yeah, he's basically getting it all jigged up. Then we do a final measure up, make sure everything's as it should be and well done.
Cutting some steel.
Yeah, but we've got a Mazda RX-5 hiding under there, which has had a full tough job as well.
Sponsoring our show, you'll win yourself a $500 Interceptor Black.
Is this one of his?
No,
Give it away.
well-known
Easy as that.
guy,
Best
Andrew
quality
Smith,
tool. Also before 10, and tell you what Chinna's up to.
many years.
KFC, that's on the way.
So,
Mini tub.
tunnel's all done, so it's got a 20V.
Unfortunately.
Get a pre-holiday service and safety check from Midas before you go. Visit the home of Peace of Mind Motoring, MidasNZ.com.
Currently mounting all that.
Don't too many of these.
Nah.
No, that's it.
Another RX3 sedan there, and Falcon.
Awesome, well, we'll call it a wrap. They're doing some choice stuff here. We'll look forward to seeing what they can do with our old girl. Might even be some progress made on these cars, and we'll check it out when we come back. Thanks, brother. Awesome.